The digital cleaning line for Taoyuan Bayberry. As a deeply loved fruit, the cleaning process of bayberry is crucial to ensuring food safety and quality. However, the traditional bayberry cleaning devices generally have issues such as simple structure, rough process, poor cleaning effect, and waste of water resources, which undoubtedly become bottlenecks in the development of the bayberry industry. To address these weaknesses, the digital cleaning line for Bayberry has become an innovative choice in the bayberry cleaning industry due to its remarkable novelty and practicality. The digital cleaning line for Bayberry adopts an advanced digital temperature control brine tank design, equipped with an intelligent digital temperature controller, which can display and accurately adjust the water temperature in real time. The numerical control aerator at the bottom generates airflow from bottom to top, forming spiral flow with the water flow so that the water flow can closely fit the surface of the bayberry, achieving deep soaking and washing and thoroughly separating impurities from bayberry. Through precise control of water pressure, the digital pressure-controlled sprayer washes bayberries strongly in all directions to ensure that impurities have nowhere to hide. Equipped with an efficient filtered water circulation system, the used water is recycled to the water tank and re-enters the circulation after removing suspended matter through the filter screen. Sediments sink into the isolation bin through the mesh belt, facilitating sewage discharge. This design not only improves the utilization rate of water resources, but also greatly reduces environmental pollution. The digital cleaning line for Bayberry adopts digital infrared technology. It has the characteristic of high-precision temperature control. It avoids the heating element working at full load for a long time, prolongs the service life, and achieves the goal of energy conservation and safety. In addition, the infrared heat sterilization function is powerful, which can completely sterilize bayberries in only 6 to 8 seconds, ensuring the hygiene and safety of bayberry.